Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate a little bit about SSH, more specifically SCP, which is file transferring in Linux. I have two terminals open currently. On the left, I have one file in this directory that I'm in. I'm going to be sending over to this other machine. On the right here, which I'm going to be SSHing into right now. Alright, so we just used SSH with the username at the IP address, and then it prompted us for a password. This is kind of the standard syntax to SSH into a machine using Linux or Windows if it does have SSH. And as we can see here, we do have just one file called fun file, which we'll be grabbing to put onto our attack machine in just a second. Now let's grab this command, which we just used to SSH into the machine, and put it over here on this terminal. And so once again, that's just SSH user at the IP address to SCP, this file. We want to send this file called file to send over to this machine. And so we're just going to modify this SSH command. We're going to modify it to SCP, give it the file we want to send. In this case, it is called file to send, prepended with the / here, which just means it's in the current directory. Once again, same syntax as SSH. Then we want to give it the directory to send it to, indicated with a colon and then the directory. So we'll go ahead and find what directory we're in on this other machine. We're currently in home /htb-student. So we'll just go ahead and send it there so we don't have to change directories anywhere. Make sure I give it the right syntax with only one / here. So we're SCPing, transferring the file through SSH with secure copy. The file we're sending to the standard SSH command user at the IP address and the directory we're sending it to. And then it prompts us for a password. And then it sends it right away. File to send, it looks like 100%, so let's see if we got it over here. And we did. Let's see if let's see what's in this one. Alright, so it's just one word, but we were able to successfully send it from this box on the left to this one over here on the right. So now we're wanting to take this fun file and put it onto our machine, which would be the opposite, which would be a download. So what we just did, we sent this file. It's considered an upload with SCP. Now we're going to be doing what is considered a download. So let's take the same command we did and modify it. So this time we're just going to get rid of that file indication right there. So this is what we're SCPing. We're SCPing to this directory, but we're also want to grab the file, which is called fun file. And then all we have to do is indicate the directory that we're going to put it in, and it's going to name it the same thing. In this case, fun file. So the period always indicates in a command the current directory. So we're going to be SCPing this address here with this user in this directory, this file. And then we want to put it into our current directory. So let's go ahead and do that. And it gives us a password prompt. Alright, great, and it says fun file 100%. Let's see if we actually got it. Yes, indeed. And looks like we have a message from Mr. Ray Arnold.